I thought it would be a good idea to come and study today in Starbucks. I have the day off and my exam was coming up, and I thought if I got out of the house to do some studies in it, it'd be a lot better, but oh god, having a hay fever makes everything so much harder. I find it so it's so hard to concentrate. It was okay on the way here because I could get a bus in, and it really wasn't that it really wasn't that bad this morning before I left the house. I don't know if the little walk from the bus to the Starbucks made it worse. Oh god. I don't know why I always think every year it's going to be better. I've had hay fever for so long. Every year I still do exactly the same. And it always seems to get really bad around the time I have exams, because that's when everything starts to kick off. It's like the more I try to do, the harder it is for me to feel okay, because it takes up so much. Every part of me, it's all I can think about all the time is just how bad it just is. Oh god, it never stops. But anytime it really stops and I get a break, so I go to sleep, but it takes me so long to be able to do that. Oh god, I've only been here for half an hour and I don't think I've got anything done. I'm afraid of all the people that are looking at me. I can't help it. Oh. My exam is in 2 days. I hope it's not like this for my exam. I checked the weather earlier and the weather said it's supposed to be raining at the end of the week, so hopefully that'll help, because it'll make it easier. Everything should calm down just a little bit. I can deal with this a little bit, but not all the time. It's so much harder. Oh, when you do with it always. God. It makes it so hard to try and pay attention to what I have to do, because I've tried making a list so I can see everything that I need to do right in front of me, but it's so hard. All I can think about is how badly my nose itches and how much I need to sneeze all the time, because it feels so, oh god, it's right there. Oh god, right there all the time, no matter what I do. I can't get it to go away. It's so annoying that I can't control myself. I have no say over this. Oh god. Oh god. I'm sneezing over everything. My eyes are watering so much. I don't know why I bothered putting on makeup today, because already it's ruined. I've had to wipe off half of it because it's just been running all day. There's nothing I can do to stop it. God, what I wouldn't do. I've tried everything, I really. Every single year, it seems to get worse. I kept saying I'd grow out of it when I got older, but it's not possible. I feel like it just gets worse every single time. But I've just squeezed all over my top. It's actually wet from. Oh God, this is horrible. Oh my God. No wonder no one sits near me. I don't blame them. I look a mess. I should just go. I should really just go home. At least no one is there. And it doesn't matter what I do. I have to go back outside. And I'm just afraid of what it's going to be like when I go back outside. It's going to get much worse because I don't think I could handle it being much worse than it is now. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh God. I can hardly go like a minute without sneezing anymore. It's so hard. Okay, no. Just stop complaining about it. Just kind of, you have so much work to do. You really don't have time for this. I still have so much to do before this damn exam, and this isn't helping. It's not going to make me pass. So just deal with it. 3, no big deal. It really doesn't matter. I must just you can't seem to do anything for more than 2 minutes without sneezing and having to take a break for a couple of seconds to get your breath back. Oh my God. It's just so much. Oh my God. No one understands how badly this feels. I feel it in every part of me. My eyes are sore. My nose itches. I can feel it in my ears. I can feel it in my throat. Every single part of my body. I don't think anyone understands how bad it is unless you have hay fever. Every single part of me just needs to sneeze, and that's all I can think about all the time. When I'm not sneezing, I'm thinking about what's going to happen next, because I don't know. You think I'd be used to it after so long. Oh God. I'm gonna have to go home and change my clothes straight away because this is just a mess. Okay. Just take a break. Just try and just focus on what's going on around you, not everyone else, because it doesn't matter what anyone else is doing right now. It's just, you have to do this, and you have to study, and then it'll be okay. It will be. Once you can study, just do it. It's always there. No matter what I do, I can feel it in every single part of me. It just takes over everything. I don't even know what I've done for the last half hour. I haven't even go through a lot of lecture slides. Why didn't I just stay home today? I should have stayed home. I would have done a lot more. Oh God. I think this through. Maybe it'll get a little better as the day goes on. Because oh God. Maybe I should just get a taxi straight home. Maybe I should just get a taxi to pick me up right outside right now, and I can go home. I don't even. Oh god. Once I could get there, wouldn't matter. Maybe I could go to sleep for a little while and wake up. That usually always helps me a little bit to wake up and feel better. It's just hard to go to sleep when it's just so bad. Oh, God. Oh, I can feel it. My eyes, even my eyes get itchy. I can't do anything. Oh, I wish I knew how to stop this. I've tried everything I can get. Oh. I've tried everything I can get in the chemists and the doctors. I've tried things online to try and stop it. I just, oh god, nothing can. No. I always feel like it's never going to stop when I have it because it just takes over everything. Oh god. I've been here for so long, I haven't done anything. I feel like I'm wasting so much time just complaining. I just get over it. It's really not that big of a deal. Like, who cares? They're not gonna let me not sit my exam just because I've been sneezing and that. Also, I just have to get my shit together and just focus on how important this is instead of. So, how about I need to sneeze all the time? I always think that maybe if I could just keep sneezing that it will eventually stop itching, but it doesn't. Oh god, I feel so horrible. I should really go to the bathroom so I can get some tissue to try and clean myself up a little bit because, god, but this is such a waste because I'm just gonna start sneezing again and I can't. Oh god, there's nothing I can do to stop it. Okay, just go back to your notes. Just okay. There. Oh god. Okay, maybe. No, it's still there. It's still real bad. Oh my god. How long this is gonna go on for? I don't know how much longer I can deal with this. I have to go home. I can't stay here. I just can't. I can't do it anymore. That's it. It's just so bad. I feel so bad. I'm going to go straight home. And then I can. Oh god. Why can't I stop sneezing? I wish there's something I could do to stop it all the time. Even just for a day. Oh god, at this stage, I'd take an hour. I'd take 1 hour and just be able to study and write my notes out without having to fucking sneeze every minute. Oh my god. Oh god, this is insane. I try. I know it might not seem like it, but it's anyone that's looking at me, but I'm trying so hard to stop this. This is the last thing I want to do right now. It's always be sneezing. I'm just gonna that's it. I'm just gonna get a taxi I'm gonna go home. At least I can do what I want. It doesn't matter. Because I want to go for a cold shower. And hopefully that might help. At least I'll feel a little cleaner because I feel so gross right now. So yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll go home. I'm going to have a shower. And I'll study at home then. Because... Oh